Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for OP. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for OP. We have our update on this price right here. Seems like it bounced back at our 2.27 line, then tested its resistance around the 0.382. For now, it can just consolidate at this range. It's either a breakout play at 0.382, and this time, I think I may not consider zero point 0.5 or 0.618 to be minor resistance. I would expect OP to test $4. On the other hand, a breakdown at 2.27, there's a chance that it can retest its major support around 1.8, lower than this range, which I don't really look forward to, than this trend line right here around 1.5 will be the next major support. While for my long-term target for OP, it will be around $11. Although going at that price, there can be minor resistance starting at $5 to $8. Anyway, yesterday, the SEC approved 19B4 forms of BlackRock, Grayscale, VanEck, and other ETF issuers. They just need to have their S1 registration documents to go effective. Then the Ethereum spot ETF can start trading. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst, this can take a couple of weeks or longer, but we can already hear about the progress within a week or so. Additionally, yesterday, another pro crypto bill was approved. The CBDC Anti Surveillance Act of Congressman Tom Emmer passes the House. This legislation emphasized the critical need for any proposed CBDC to be open, permissionless, and private, aligning with the freedom enjoyed by traditional cash. It's really amusing that within just 2 weeks, a lot of pro blockchain bills have been approved. And this really shows that the tides have turned. So I think slight retracement or correction are opportunity to accumulate, especially that the upcoming election is just around November. After next week, it's gonna be June, and time is just fast. So it's gonna be interesting to see some new ATH. Anyway, that's it for our short-term support and resistance at this range for OP. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.